In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create J and L cut sound transitions in CapCut. These classic edits make your scenes feel more professional by letting audio lead or trail your visuals, creating smoother, more natural transitions between clips. If you've ever noticed a conversation or scene change that just feels seamless, chances are a J or L cut is doing the work behind the scenes. Start by opening CapCut and creating a new project. Bring your workspace into view so you can clearly see the video and audio tracks. If you're working with multiple clips, it helps to zoom into the timeline for precision. This makes it easier to position edits on exact frames and see your waveforms clearly, which is essential when you're shaping audio transitions. Next, add two videos to your timeline. Place them back to back in the order you want them to appear. Trim the end of the first clip and the start of the second so the cut lands where the story feels right, usually on a natural pause or visual beat. Use snapping to keep the clips perfectly aligned, and make sure there's no accidental gap between them. Now add your audio. This could be dialogue, ambient sound, or a voiceover. Drag the audio onto the audio track under your video. If your audio is tied to one of the clips, make sure it lines up with the matching visuals first. Keep an eye on your levels. Aim for clear, consistent volume so the transition is heard as a smooth blend rather than a jump. To create a J cut, adjust the fade-in of the incoming audio so it starts slightly before the second video clip appears. In the timeline, drag the start of that audio so it overlaps under the end of the first video, then pull the fade-in handle to gently ramp it up. You're aiming for a subtle lead, often around a third to half a second, though faster edits may call for less. Listen for clarity and intention. The audio should invite the viewer into the next scene without drawing attention to the edit. For the L cut, let the audio from the first clip continue under the beginning of the second video. Extend that audio slightly past the cut and adjust the fade out so it tapers naturally beneath the new visuals. This keeps continuity across the cut and avoids a jarring drop. Shorten or lengthen the fade until it feels like the sound is guiding the viewer forward. Play everything back and fine-tune. Small adjustments to fade length and levels go a long way. When it feels effortless, your J and L cuts are doing their job.